Okay, just want to share some information. If your Honda HRC216, if one of the wheels, I was having a problem with one of the wheels, was just pulling, so it was pulling to one side. That's why I knew that it wasn't self-propel wasn't working properly. It's the first time I've ever had a problem with it since I've owned it, and so I took the wheel off, and I noticed I couldn't figure out what was engaging. After looking in the wheel, I know it needed to lock into something because of those grooves in there, but this was all flat. This was all just flat, sealed down. Well, once I started cleaning and wiping, I realized that there's a little gear that raises up when you hit the self-propel and locks into the wheel. But I guess over years, grime and grease had it locked down so that when you hit the self-propel, it couldn't push out to engage the wheels. So if you have that problem, take your wheel off, clean it up good. You may need to pry it up because you may not even be able to see it. I couldn't even see it. It was so covered and flush, I couldn't even see the opening. And I cleaned it up, lubed it up, and now it works. Okay? So just passing along a little information. I hope it helps out somebody. Take care.